Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset purchases in Fortnite. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the three lines in the top left corner of our screen, then click on the gear icon and go to the settings. Here, select the last visible icon and then we have recent purchases and we can return or cancel purchase. Now, make sure that you read through this text. I will also read it for you. So first one is cancel purchase. You may cancel any unintentional purchase made with V-Bucks. Cancel purchase is available until you equip or use your purchase during gameplay. Only items purchased within the last 24 hours are eligible for cancel purchase. Next one is returning purchases. And in access where you unintentionally purchase an item with a V-Bucks and purchase cancellation is no longer available, you can use one of your 3 annual return tickets. Instead, you'll receive one additional return ticket every 12 months, up to maximum of 3. Each ticket is added 12 months following the most recent ticket you received. Only items purchased within the last 30 days are eligible for returns. Consumable items such as battle pass levels, or llamas are not returnable. So you have all of the information right here, and keep in mind that this bounds only to V-Bucks purchases. So if you bought something using real money, you probably won't be able to return it. And here you can see your count for tickets that were mentioned in the second page right here. And when you click on it, you'll be able to refund or reset your purchase, and it will be visible right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.